Our philosophy is innovation-driven development and brand building by craftsmanship. Ctube, the international leader in providing solutions to PVC electrical conduit system without extra bending, and create a new era of using top-quality clear PVC conduit for applications. With our new patent, there is no need to bend electrical conduit through springs when the conduit run needs to be turned. Our fittings are assembled, can be freely spliced, and are environmentally friendly and durable. They are intact, even when encountering popping, crushing and instant bending without springs. The full product line passed the European 6P environmental quality standard. They can be used as children's toys second only to food grade, and make owners live with more peace of mind and security. Clear conduit becomes the first choice of more and more elites. Ctube, the clear, candid and competitive tube to the future.